without going through, when you hit back, you're going to get hurt. So both ways. So yours is, you want your punch to be effective, you have to imagine it goes through. If you think you're hitting here, then you're jamming yourself. If you go through, he gets jammed. His power is jammed up. So if we come over here, so if you threw a punch here, yeah, watch, go. Yeah, because you can see his arm goes through, and my move is too small. I think I can resist, it's too small. But see, so I imagine my chest is hitting him. This is a fist, it's a bigger fist. But the fist is not passive, it's going to strike at you. See, I'm striking him with my fist. The more you resist, the more you get hurt. Yeah. So this here, if you think somebody is going to push you, you are going to push back with your quad. It's going to be like this, so much that we also train this. You imagine somebody's here and clear my way. It's not like this, it's like, it's like that. I have so much momentum added to this jam, it's much faster than you think. So learn, everybody else is fine, go right through. I want to see your quad going through something. Like that. Yeah, be active. Don't change your arm. Your arm is like this.
This arm?
Yeah, it's on the line here. Like that, okay? Lots of it.